What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a segment called Market Mondays, where I talk about just whatever I decide to do in the market. For those of you who don't know, that the market is closed on Saturday and Sunday. So sometimes there's a lot of news that comes out either on Thursday, Friday, and then it starts to settle on Saturday, Sunday, and then on Mondays, the market opens back up and allows people to trade and do whatever they wanted over the last few days. So one of the biggest news from last week is that Tortoise Acquisitions and Hyliion decided to do a merger. So because of that, Hyliion is going to become a publicly traded company. A few weeks ago, Nikola Motors had a merger and then everyone flocked to buy Nikola Motors. The reason why people flocked to buy it is because Nikola Motors called out Tesla, saying they're going to be the next Tesla when it comes to trucks, Cybertrucks, and also semi-vehicles, which something else that Tesla decided to get into. So when Nikola went public, everyone flocked to buy their stocks. Their stock went from like $19 all the way up to like $90. The interesting thing is about Nikola is that they're not selling any products right now. They're 100% an idea. There aren't any revenue. There aren't any real trucks out there for you to see. That's why I believe their stock went down from 90 all the way to 60, and then it's like sell. My strategy was to buy and then sell, which I'm going to be applying that format to this same exact thing. What's really cool about Hyliion is the fact that they are another competitor for Tesla and Nikola Motors, but in a different way. Hyliion is more focused on taking already produced semi-trucks and changing them into hybrids. This is important because as we're moving less and less away from gas-powered vehicles, you have to wonder what's going to happen to all these other vehicles that's being produced that are gas or diesel powered. Hyliion, I believe, is going to capitalize on that. And something else to consider is that Tesla and Nikola Motors, their semi-trucks are super expensive. So if you are a startup business or even an established business who has all of these different semi-trucks, so what do you do with that? Do you just drop every single one of your semi-trucks and then buy one expensive electric truck? No, you can't do it that way. So you have to be strategic about it. Hyliion is going to capitalize on that by taking people's trucks and converting them into hybrid trucks, allowing them to get a more fuel efficient vehicle at a much cheaper rate than Nikola Motors and Tesla. So how do you get into this stock? So since Hyliion and Tortoise Acquisitions are merging, currently their ticker symbol is SHLL. The whole purpose of Tortoise Acquisitions was to build a brand so that way they can merge with someone else and change their ticker symbol. So something to keep in mind is that this is a merger that has been announced. At any time, they can stop this merger and just call it quits. Be mindful when you decide to invest in this company. Myself personally, I decided to buy 10 shares. Whether I keep these shares for the long haul or sell in the next few days, that is yet to be foreseen, but I believe it's a good investment just for the simple fact there are a lot of retail investors out there. With the current conditions that's keeping us at home, there are a lot more people on Robinhood, on Webull that are buying, selling, being more mindful of their financial situation. So they're taking more time to invest. So at the end of the day, Hyliion looks like a very good company to get into. That's the interesting about being in the stock market. So you're either a person who invests and let it sit, or you're another person who likes to play the game, which can be fun. So to let you guys know, I am not a financial investor whatsoever. I'm just a guy with a phone and a camera talking in his guest bedroom, which he's converting into a YouTube studio. So let me know if you decide to invest in Hyliion. If you don't have a brokerage account, I highly suggest that you download Robinhood. If you want to support me, please use my affiliate link in the description. You'll get a free stock. And also, if you already have Robinhood and you want to branch out a little bit more and go into another brokerage, Webull is also giving you free stocks when you use my affiliate link down below. Thank you so much for watching. There will be more to come. Please, please, please pay me with that sweet, sweet currency that I like to call the like button. It pays for everything, okay? Okay, it doesn't really pay for anything. There's something about a YouTube algorithm or something like that. It's just click it. Just click it. Just you know you want to. And if you really like my videos, you really think it was entertaining, please hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you on the next Market Mondays.